In this question, we've been given 2 points, coordinates of 2 points as shown on the screen, and we're asked to find the equation of a line AB. Solution now. One thing we should know is coordinate of A is 2 comma minus 4. Then coordinate of B is 1 comma minus 1. There are two things I'm going to show you here quickly, but the first one now, the first method, okay, method 1, we have a kind of relationship that will just help us to find our answer straight ahead. And what is the relationship? The relationship is y minus y1 all over x minus x1 is equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So we basically just need to substitute. Now in this case, we can make this to be our x1 y1, then this is x2 y2. The order doesn't matter, you can change it either way, but it will still work. And so therefore I'm gonna have my y minus y1, y1 is minus 4, so I have minus 4 all over x minus x1, which is 2, is equals to y2 is minus 1, of course, minus into minus 4 as y1, then all over x2 is 1, then we have minus 2. So we're good to go. Here we have y plus 4 all over x minus 2 is equals to minus 1 plus 4. So that is minus 1 plus 4. All right. Then all over 1 minus 2, which is basically going to give you 3 all over minus 1. So we have y plus 4 all over x minus 2 is equals to minus 3 basically. When you cross multiply, you end up with minus 3 into x minus 2 is equals to y plus 4. So that you have minus 3x plus 6 is equals to y plus 4. And hence, we can now rearrange it so that we will have y plus 3x plus 4 minus 6 is equals to 0. So that y plus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, you can leave it like this, or you can leave it as y plus 3x is equals to 2. All right, that is a good one. So let's move to method 2 quickly. Okay, method 2. Now, method 2 basically is to find the gradient. The first thing to do, step 1, find the gradient. Okay, so how do we now get the gradient? The gradient, let's say the gradient is m. Of course, gradient is increase in or change in y, okay, all over change in x, right? So we have x2 minus x1. So basically, we use this notation we have for our x2 and x1, y2 and y1. Okay, so this is what we are going to have. Basically, we are going to have minus 1 minus into minus 4, then all over 1 minus 2. All right, so our m is going to be 3 all over minus 1, which is minus 3. Now recall that this line will either pass through A or B. So just pick a point. I think let me pick point B. Okay, let me get point B. So I have B, which is 1 comma minus 1. Then I have my gradient to be minus 3. Okay, so now you could now see that it has gone back to the type of question where we can find the equation of a line given the gradient and a point. So we are going to use the formula y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x minus x1. Okay, so therefore you have y, then if you check it out, this minus into minus 1. Okay, then is equals to, we have m, which is minus 3 into x minus 1. So this is y plus 1 is equals to minus 3 into x minus 1. All right, so this is y plus 1 is equals to minus 3x plus 3. All right. So rearranging it, you have y plus 3x plus 1 minus 3 is equals to 0. So y plus 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. Rearranging it further, we have y plus 3x is equals to 2. Now let's go back and check our answers for the two methods. Y plus 3x is equals to 2. Y plus 3x equals to 2. So basically any method you wish to actually use, it will actually give you the right answer.